Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Online Tutorial Center. This is Module 2, the purpose of reading. So what are the purpose of reading? Letter A, the rapid reading or the skimming or scanning. Letter B, extensive reading. It is to read for leisure as well as for entertainment. Letter C, intensive reading. Often involves getting detailed or information. There are types of extensive reading. The first is study reading. Second is critical reading. Last is analytical reading. Let's move on to the effects of reading. Number 1, reading make us well informed. Number 2, reading can be a worthwhile form of recreation. Number 3, books read can be a source of information. And number 4, reading can be a form of therapy. Thanks for watching and listening.